What health problem did you have?
I had measles when I was 18.
How did you have that health problem?
I thought I catch measles from someone when they cough or sneeze.
Was that serious?
Not really, but it was unpleasant. I recovered after 10 days staying at home.
What were some symptoms of that health problem?
I had a cold and fever with a cough, a runny nose. The small grayish-white spots appeared on my body too.
Did you take any medical treatment?
No, I didn't. The situation wasn't serious enough to be sent to the hospital then.
How could you recover from it?
Well, let me see. I drank a lot of water, avoided the direct sunlight, and I had to stay off school for 10 days.
What difficulties did you face because of that problem?
I couldn't go out for a few days, which was boring. I'm not allowed to play outside, and I felt so bad about it.
What do people do to prevent that health problem?
By having measles vaccine.
Is that health problem common in your country?
Not really, due to the effectiveness of vaccination.